Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video here at Daring Beefcake, I have this Honda CR-V. This is a 2012 model. I'm just going to show you where the pollen filter is and how you potentially could replace it. So today I'm just checking its condition really. So if it's really bad, then I'm going to order another one. So if we open the glove box here on the drive side, you will then find this little damper here. If you push it back, it will disconnect from where it's hooked. So if you can see it there, what we need to do is just push it back. So it unhooks from the glove box, and then you want to push this side in a little bit and this one, and that will allow you to bring this glove box down. And in there, it's that cover there. So let me get my light a little bit more closer. And if we open on the sides of this cover, there are some clips. Just press the clips, take the cover out, and that's where the pollen filter is. And you can see that's a Honda pollen filter. Also note what it says here, airflow, and there is an airflow writing in there as well, showing you the arrows in which position you are to fit this. So get your pollen filter out. So it looks like this one does need replacing, to be honest. It is really quite dirty, and I don't think there is a part number here. However, this is a Honda genuine part, so you could just get one similar one for different make, possibly Blueprint or so, or Bosch, and you would then get your filter and just put it back in that hole in there, like so. And then you put your little cover back in there, and you can close this glove box, not forgetting this little damper that it may go up. You may need to pull it down and just hook it back in there. And that's pretty much it really. So fairly simple one. We can so fairly simple one. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.